Ori, I loved it when you laid down on the earth. Do you remember that? Remember when you laid down on the earth to feel it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That was inspiring to me.
Ori, I love seeing how much you've grown from the very dreamy boy that we first knew in Wood Park
That
to
flower was
the
like my pendant.
strong thinker you are now.
That's enough flowers.
And playful.
Take it back. That is.
Hey,
Enough flowers.
Ori, Sage would like to say something.
You're inventing and made me want to invent stuff a lot too. Oh, Bears, what are you doing?
Yay!
What is Bears doing, Faye?
He's distracting himself.
Backpack eating monster.
What the heck are you doing?
I'll just add, Ori, that from the very beginning you always took the time you needed to go be by yourself and commune with nature, and you've always shown me that I can just slow down and take the time that I need, and in the quiet moments, the great ideas come.
That's enough before I have to take a bath.
Okay, let's put our arms together over Ori in the bridge. Well, actually, Ori, you step on one side. We're going to give you a tunnel to go through.
Ori!
Right here? Yeah, that's a good idea. You stay on one side.
On the stage for a second.
We'll give it to the car.